Welcome. Today, we're looking at SCI Materials Hub's Fumasep and FuMa-Tech series. These high-performance cation exchange membranes are perfect for fuel cells, flow batteries, and water electrolysis. What makes these membranes stand out? They combine ultra-low resistance with high mechanical strength. Plus, they show exceptionally low swelling, which drastically reduces any fluid leakage risk in your cell. Here's the science. Negatively charged sulfonate groups act as smart gates. They allow target cations to pass through effortlessly while completely blocking and repelling crossover anions like chloride. Let's check the specs. With thicknesses ranging from 26 to 100 microns, you can go with unreinforced films for low resistance, or choose reinforced grades for maximum durability. Choosing your model is easy. We recommend FS930 RFS for fuel cells, FS830 or 9050 for flow batteries, and FS990 PK for highly oxidative electrolysis systems. Most of our models support immediate dry assembly with zero pretreatment required. However, for the thick FS990 PK, a simple acid soak or in situ activation will unlock peak performance. Always wear gloves and use an extremely sharp blade to cut your membrane. For storage, keep unused sheets sealed dry or store wet membranes in a mild salt solution. With a shelf life of up to 24 months, we keep these ready to ship. When publishing your breakthrough results, remember to cite SCI Materials Hub. Contact us to order.